Case name Shrey, age is 29 years, and today date is 26th of January 2024. And complain of high pitched voice, soft voice, hoarse voice. So we want speech sample before treatment.
Yes. My name is Shrey Bateria. I am 29 years old. I live in Whitefield, Bangalore itself. I have this high pitch voice as sir suggested. I came here to consult him and now I am taking treatment from him.
Voice sample after voice therapy, and today date is 2nd February 2024. So how do you feel after the voice therapy and what was the problem?
Sir, I'm feeling very confident now, and I had this high pitch voice issue, and during the 8 days of course we have done different kind of exercises to stimulate our vocal cords, and that has helped me to achieve this kind of voice.
Technically we call voice therapy.
Yeah, that is voice therapy, right? And I feel like everything has improved, like my body language and everything has improved with this therapy.
So when you are calling on the phone, what are the reactions you are getting from your friends?
They are not able to recognize first, but they have my number saved, so they feel like I am pranking them or someone else is calling and they are saying something like that.
From which place you came?
I came from Jabalpur, but I work in Bangalore itself.
Can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, you can use it. Definitely it should reach to wider audience.
Thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watch.